Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and going straight to personalization so you change visuals safely. Once there, choose background and decide picture, solid color, or slideshow. Picture is simplest. Click Browse to pick a file or a folder if you want multiple images. Make sure the image is accessible on your PC, not a network drive that's offline, because Windows needs local access to apply it immediately. After selecting, pause and check the preview at the top to confirm it looks right. Once an image or folder is chosen, make sure to select the correct fit so the wallpaper isn't cropped oddly. Fill usually works for widescreen photos, while Span covers multi-monitor setups. If you pick Slideshow, click Browse to point at the folder, then set how often pictures change and toggle Shuffle if you want randomness. Also check the power option. Disable Slideshow on battery if you're on a laptop to avoid draining power. These settings control both appearance and performance, so adjust them to take. When you're done configuring, Windows usually applies changes immediately, so you can close settings and inspect each monitor. If the picture didn't change, try switching to a solid color and then back to force a refresh. Also confirm the image is a common format like JPG or PNG. If problems continue, make sure you have read permission for the file and that OneDrive or sync settings aren't overriding local images. Restarting Explorer or signing out and back in will often resolve stubborn display caching issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.